Hi everyone, this is a duolingual explanation of the speaking task in Unit 4, page 51 in the English Download English Form 5 textbook. 2. When you give your advice about the situation, you need to be able to explain the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of each option before you make your choice. Kalau anda ingin memberi nasihat tentang sesuatu situasi, anda perlu menerangkan kebaikan dan keburukan setiap pilihan anda sebelum membuat pilihan yang terbaik. Let's look at the sentences here. The sentences that introduce an advantage are 3. However, on the plus side, option A, 4. The benefit of option B would be, and 6. Option B avoids the danger of. The sentences that introduce a disadvantage are 1. Option A has the risk of. 2. The problem with option B is that. And 5. Option A might not be the best idea because. So, kamu gunalah ayat-ayat ini untuk speaking task anda. Exercise 3. Follow the instructions and complete the task with your partner. One of you will be student A and the other will be student B. Use the words and phrases in the language bank to help you. Kamu gunalah ayat-ayat di sini dalam mini language bank. Now let's look at the task. Student A. Look at the pictures and use the information on page 189 to answer student B's questions. Now let's look at page 189. Inilah information yang student A boleh guna untuk menjawab soalan student B. Student B. Look at the pictures and ask student A these questions to find out what the situation is. You should ask, what is the problem? Apakah masalahnya? What are some possible solutions? Apakah penyelesaian yang ada? What are the disadvantages of each solution? Apakah keburukan setiap penyelesaian? Using the information you have learned, give student A your advice on what you think the best solution is and why. Selepas student A menjawab soalan-soalan student B akan memberi nasihat tentang penyelesaian yang terbaik dan sebabnya. Explain why you didn't choose the other solution. Dan student B akan menerangkan kenapa student B tidak memilih pilihan yang satu lagi. So, kamu boleh mula begini. Student B akan tanya soalan pertama. What is the problem? So, student A can answer, my brother has received a t-shirt for his birthday from his favorite aunt. She wants him to wear it this weekend at his birthday party, which friends and family will be attending. However, he thinks the t-shirt is horrible and he doesn't want to wear it in front of his friends. So, masalah dia di sini ialah brother kamu dapat hadiah t-shirt dari aunty kegemaran dia. Dan aunty kegemaran dia ni mahu dia pakai itu t-shirt waktu birthday party dia. Walau bagaimanapun, dia rasa itu t-shirt sangat hodoh dan dia tidak mau pakai depan kawan-kawan dia. Selepas itu, student B tanya soalan ini. What are some possible solutions? So, student A can answer, option 1. He could wear the t-shirt to the party in order to please his aunt. Dia boleh pakai itu t-shirt ke party itu untuk menggembirakan aunty dia. Or option 2. He could exchange it for a different t-shirt which he will feel more comfortable in. Pilihan kedua, dia tukar baju lain yang dia boleh rasa lebih selesa. Dan student B akan tanya soalan ini. What are the disadvantages of each solution? Student A can answer, the problem with option 1 is that he will feel embarrassed and uncomfortable and might not enjoy his party as a result. Masalah dengan pilihan satu ialah dia mungkin akan rasa malu dan tidak selesa dan tidak akan enjoy party dia. Option 2 might not be the best idea because his aunt will be upset and hurt that he didn't like her choice. Pilihan kedua bukan idea yang terbaik kerana aunty dia akan sakit hati dan kecewa dia tidak suka pilihan dia. Selepas itu, student B akan bagi nasihat tentang penyelesaian yang terbaik dan sebabnya. Student B can answer like this. Based on the information I have learned, I think option 1 is the best solution. This is because, even though he might feel embarrassed and uncomfortable, this will make his aunt happy. And his aunt will be happy to buy him more birthday presents in the future. Selepas itu, terangkan juga kenapa anda tidak pilih pilihan kedua. Although he will feel more comfortable in a different t-shirt, his aunt will be upset and that will make him more uncomfortable during the party. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.